Welcome to Grace and Nate's Culinary Adventures. Today we're making rosemary apple honey lemon bliss. It's refreshing and perfect for winter. Hey, let's get started. First, we'll take one apple and then we'll cut it into 4 pieces. Then we'll cut out the core and thinly slice the apple. Add 4 cups of water or 1,000 milliliters and bring it to a rolling boil. Now we're going to add our apple slices and our rosemary. While our apple slices and rosemary are boiling, we can prepare our lemon zest. Let's cut the lemon in half. Now it's time to add our lemon zest. Squeeze half a lemon into the tea to give it an extra citrus kick. For best results, set it at a rolling boil for 15 minutes. Lower the temperature and add your honey. We'll bring it back to a boil and then we'll strain it. This is a perfect tea for winter. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.